Welcome and mhoro. This is the PostGIS function of the week, episode 23. I'm Reese, and this week's function is stletters. What is stletters? This is a strange function, not one that does any kind of spatial analysis or geometry wrangling. It is a simple function that returns letters as polygons. Let's pop into pSQL and have a look. Let's make that a smidgen bigger. Alrighty, so there is one variant. It accepts two arguments. The first is text, which is the letters that you want. And the second, which is optional, is a JSON blob that you can use to use your own font if you have a font you want to use. They're the default font. Let's have a look at how it works. And you get back a geometry. This is actually should be a multi-polygon, I believe. Right. Now, the coordinates are undefined. It just starts at the origin. It has no spatial reference ID. So any kind of movement you want to do, you'll have to use st_translate or st_scale to move it around. Let me give you a good example, or rather, let me show you visually what this looks like. Let's create a schema first of all, since I like my schemas. And then let's do create table. Title.title, and we're going to do select welcome, oopsie, and mhoro. All right, let's pop into QGIS and have a look. All right, we have our title schema and our title table. Let us add the layer. Look at that. There we go. Let's have some fun with this. We can add some more text, but I will pop down to rendering and have it refresh every, I don't know, 0.1 second. Alrighty, so let us now add another line. Let us insert into title.title. We're going to do select to, and then we're going to actually translate this, because if I didn't translate it, well, let me show you actually. Let me just show you what happens. This is going to be not good. And in the QGIS, you can see that not good appears right where welcome is. So that's not what we want. So let's delete that last entry. And let us do this. We're going to do translate, which was in our last video. I'm going to translate this down. So 0 is the horizontal. I'm going to translate this down by negative 1,500 units. So you get the gist. You can now use ST letters to create letters or bits of text or lots of text using PostGIS. Alright folks, that was a quick one. I'll catch you all next week. Until then, bye!